Alright, what's up guys? We're at the Fry's Claw Machine. This is gonna be a long journey. I'm gonna be going to 7 locations. So this is gonna be my first of many. There's a very gettable June Betty Boop right here. A couple generic stuff gettable. Maybe Scooby, so let's see what we can win. He just got done refilling it, and I'm basically gonna chase him all over the 7 locations because he all refills them today, so should be a good day today, hopefully. See if we can win this June Betty. She's really gettable. It's probably gonna like fling her forward or something. Perfect, that should have her. Yes, first try. Oh, I knew it. Let's try that. Perfect, that should have it. Clamped. Yes, stay. Stay. Oh. Second time it dropped it. Oh. It's rough. Let's throw $1. Oh no, I missed it. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Go for the box one more time. Perfect. Just grip it. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna try for something else. Maybe, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's off of Scooby, so I think I can get Scooby. Kind of in a weird position though. I don't know if I'll have to help his hands or what. See what happens right there. Oh, by the hands, come on. Yes, Scooby. Yes, by the hand. Oh, nah. Oh, come on. Oh. Twisted it in like every position. I don't know. You know what, let's go for this monkey again. If I win it, I actually might have a chance at winning Roadrunner. He's been in here for so long. Oh, come on. Rip it. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna see if I can win this cow. Looks pretty gettable. Oh, maybe. Yes, got the cow stay. Oh, great. Should I try one more? Last one. I gotta leave after this. Yes, got him. Stay. Nice. Got the cow. Second prize, sweet. Alright, now let's see if we can get this Betty Boop. Last try. Oh, a clamp, come on. Yes! Last try, come on. Yeah, it's a perfect way to end this location. Nice. Last try. Got Scooby, Soccer Scooby. This cow, I'm probably just gonna leave here. And June Betty, nice. Just leave this right here for someone to take. Alright, sweet. Alright, what's up guys? We're at our second location. We're at a Walmart. Only has 1 claw machine. Let's go for this Betty Boop. There's actually a donation stand right out of this for used toys, so I'm gonna see if I can just donate this stuff after I win it. Oh, it's close. I don't know if she's gettable. Maybe. Yes, got it, stay. Nice. Made Betty Boop for $1. get in there. Maybe. Oh yes, come on. Oh yes, 2 in a row. Nice. Alright. I actually might be able to get this Fruity Patootie strawberry off the wall. Oh, I did. I'll probably just give this away too. Actually, I'm gonna go for it. Perfect. That should have it. Yes, 3 in a row. Are you serious? Nice. 3 in a row. Oh, it almost got in the loop. Oh my gosh, I just missed it. For one last dollar and that's it. Oh man, alright, I'm done. Right, I think that's it. Yeah, okay. Alright. Got May Betty, an owl, and a Fruity Patootie. Nice. I always want one of these owls, but I'm just gonna give it away. Let's actually see if I can get it on camera. Alright, what's up guys? We're at the Fry's Claw Machine at our 3rd location. There's a May and June pretty gettable, so let's see if we can win one. That's about the only thing that's gettable though. There's a couple of generic stuff, but I don't really want that. I just leave it here anyways because I'm riding my bike, so I'm trying to carry as less things as I can. Ooh, maybe, come on. Oh, it's close. The thing about these Betty Boots is that the boxes are so big, it kind of hurts to put them in your backpack. Yes, let's see. Oh, yeah, I know, so close. There we go, it's got it. Oh, maybe. Yes, stay. Yes, 2 in 1. Oh.
You got it?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, 2 in. Oh, I got that other one, yeah. Oh, it's stuck. That's weird. It's really stuck in there. Here,
Did you stick the thing in? Did you release it? It won't release.
Yeah, it's not. Usually it lets go. Maybe I can actually, like, knock in this guy.
Get some more with it.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Oh, shoot.
Okay. Yeah. Ooh, I think I missed it, yeah. That's something I've never done before, shaking the wrong prize. I'll try one more, see if I can get this Betty Boot. Actually, Mahana is very gettable. He'd be a good win. Probably have him in this Betty Boot. Oh, come on. Oh, wow, it just made it worse. Really worse. Actually, I wonder if I can knock in this lovebird. Let's go for this June really quick, though. Oh, it's stabbed. Oh, wait. Come on. Oh, it's definitely gettable. Oh, it doesn't go back. I forgot. Oh, that should have him. Come on. Have her. Yes, got it. Stay. Come on, 2 in 1. Oh, almost knocked in the lovebird too. Alright. See if I can get this lovebird. I don't know. Come on, knock it in or something. Oh, I don't think it's gettable. Or just ducky. I thought it said lucky duck. Actually, I wonder if I can. Shoot, I can't go back, can I? Dang it. I gotta go for something that's... Okay, I can't go back any farther, so I guess I'll just go for this Pebbles. Oh, what if that actually... Oh my gosh, are you serious? Oh, I had to... I went all the way far back and I was like, okay, let's just go for this Pebbles random. And I actually ended up digging her up. Oh my gosh, if I actually get this. I thought I had it too. Oh, that's got her, come on. Yes, Pebbles, Pebbles. Oh my gosh. There we go. There we go, Pebbles, nice. That was crazy. Oh, maybe. Oh, it clamped. Oh, yes, got him. 2 in a row. Nice. Alright, I got one more shot. Mahana's not gettable. I think I'm gonna go for this watermelon Fruity Tooty. Hope I didn't go too far up. Cannot believe I dug out that Pebbles. I would have never got it if I went over back too far. Oh no, I don't think so. Yeah, that's okay. I don't want to spend another $1. Holy crap! I just filled up the chute. I can barely like open it. Whoa! Wait, I didn't even win this. It's crazy. Another food fry. Alright. I got a thing. Pig pillow, raccoon, June Betty, May Betty, Pebbles, which is awesome because I needed Pebbles because the tag ripped off of mine, and a duck. It's crazy. I won all this for like $5 or something. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang. I'm just gonna leave these 3 here. Just keep these other 3 because I don't want those. It says just ducky. So awesome, nice. Alright guys, I'm here on, I think this is my 5th location, and it looks awesome. There's so much rare stuff. There's a Hanna-Barbera character, I think it's Nat Opus or something. There's a really rare monkey from Penguin to Madagascar, Green Lantern. This is crazy, bunch of rare stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can win any of them. Holy crap. I was thinking, it's like, should I even go here? I don't really feel like it, and I'm glad I did, because there's a bunch of rare stuff. Right, let's see if we can rake this chimp from... He's really rare, especially this size. I've never seen anyone win... Oh, come on, get... Oh. Okay, I know where to drop it. Oh, come on. Oh, no, it didn't spin right. Ooh, he's gettable. I know where to get him. I'm gonna go for more of the body this time. Make this easy here. I should have one. Yes! Oh, he's wedged his foot in there. Super wedged. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Oh, I don't know. Come on. Get it. Oh. Alright, I need to go for more of his neck area. I wonder if I win this Nerd Smurf actually, hook him in the glasses, that I can get the monkey much easier. I'll just do that because I was going to go for him anyway, so it's not that rare. Oh, I just missed his glasses. Oh, that sucks. Oh. Change machine is out of order. Oh, come on, grip it. Oh my gosh. So close. Let's try that. Maybe, come on. Yes! Oh, it's so wedged or something. It's not that wedged. Maybe they're stuffed animals, people. Oh, there we go, come on. Oh, 8 seconds. 15 seconds go by fast. Come on, just grab it. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna go for something else. Probably come back to him. I want to see if this guy's gettable. It'd be awesome if I could get him like first try or something. I think he's a Hanna-Barbera, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I stabbed too many things. He should be gettable though. That's it. Oh my gosh. I don't know why he's so... Alright, I'm gonna win this nerd smurf. I'm hoping that will make things a little bit easier. Yes, it's in his glasses. Come on. All it needs to do is just grab. Oh my gosh, it just slips out. Alright, let's see if we can do some raking. Might be able to get in this Digger and Friends glasses. Possibly. Like a lot of things. Let's just go for this guy again. I don't think he's gettable. Oh, it's Sab Thomas. Darn it, I'm just not having a good day today. Let's just get this monkey and get out of here. I don't think I can win any of the other stuff. Just gotta rake him over. Okay, now I can rake him. Five seconds. Come on, just grab. Oh, yes, got him. Come on. Yes, finally. Oh my god. That was so close. Can definitely get him now, though. Hope I can, anyways. Let's try there. That should have him. Oh, it went down awfully far. Oh, yes, come on. Oh, my gosh. Are you kidding me? Come on. Just skip Denny's. Let's see. Let's try right there. Oh my god. Let's see. It's like... Okay. I'm not gonna do that. Let's just go for him. Ooh, that almost knocked him in. Just that toe touch. Come on, should have him. There we go, got him. That pulls him back in, I swear. Oh my... Okay, good. Nice, I got him. Really want to try to win this guy. Oh, come on, just grip it. Grip it. Ah, he's gettable. Come on, last dollar. Last try. Okay, he's not gettable. I'm just gonna leave.